So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand control set 001. And now you want to expand services. And now you want to click on NDU. You want to scroll down until we find NDU. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the NDU folder. And now once we're here, you want to find start. Double click on start. Now for the value data, you want to make it the number 4. So make sure that you have value name as start, value data as 4. And then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to find sysmain. Scroll down till we find sysmain. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.